how to install and sign up to Grubhub account. So if you want to install and sign up to Grubhub account, then you just need to simply open up your Play Store or your App Store and go with the search. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And now you just need to simply search for Grubhub. Once you search here, you will have the application. Simply tap on install and it will start the installation process. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. Once it's downloaded, you can simply sign up or log into your account. So wait for some time till it downloads. Now once it's installed, now tap on open, which is on the right side. So once you get this kind of interface, now you need to enter your email address and then tap on continue. And once you tap on continue, you will receive a 6-digit code to the email address that you've entered. And once you enter that 6-digit code and once you verify, then you'll be able to sign up to your account and you'll be able to use your Grubhub. So that's how you can install and sign up to your Grubhub account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.